So that's supposed to be the routing where the road's gonna go instead of it curves. So what I see that curves.
The original road curves.
So what I see that curves, the original road is going to be taken down. It's going to be taken out, and the road will go straight.
Yes.
Yeah. I see.
That's not Doug. That's not Doug.
No, that's not our car. That's not a Honda.
That's a view like mine.
They probably wonder where the hell we went as soon as I crossed the bridge.
Steve, you got Doug's number?
Yeah, we'll find him.
He's gonna leave him hanging for a while. Okay, yeah.
Oh, we're on the bridge now.
I tried to play my knees for about 3.5 hours. It's hard to figure out this. This one I figured out. Is that legal? I figured out is that people love strawberries. So even if you run a very tight ship, you'll still probably end up losing 5 or 10 minutes per stop.
As you can tell, Renwick Rd is wide on replacement.
I hate railroad crossings.
When I'm driving around. Hey, I'm not the one who refused to stop.
There he is. That always happens in Grand Rapids. People always like honking
One of his perhaps it's because Illinoisans are a bit more sophisticated. I don't know. Illini. Yeah, you're right. Illini.
As you can see here, Stephen McClellan.
Illinoisances.
Yes.
Illini.
We'll see you when we see you.
There's still going to be a grade crossing in the track. Yeah. They're just going to move it over. Which one's going to be?
So this road here is going to be gone, and then.
Where is,
Not that it's illegal, it's just that it's so highly discouraged. The railroad just won't let they just won't let you get a permit to cross.
See here, yeah, there's no other. If you go too high, there's other residences.
we still want
We should be because I thought Chris
No, he didn't.
including himself.
No, he didn't. Never let your children play on railroad crossings.
I just tell them to go play in the power lines.
They should climb.
Everybody, into the roadway. Come on. No, I'm serious.
Watch it, Steve. It's only Doug.
You actually someone.
Park up there. Hey, you're from New York. You're lost. Yeah, I believe that house may be
Most likely, yeah. Oh yeah, I can see why they're doing this. What a problem this.
They don't have signals.
Yeah.
They never have. Huh? They never have.
They never have.
One lane bridge.
Hey, HP, there's a 4-ton load limit.
Hey, Sam.
That was bad.
Cage River. Maybe with a couple pounds
Yeah, it's a pretty old creaky bridge. I don't think I'd want to drive on that thing.
We're gonna go across it.
Hey, you hear that noise that makes?
Yeah, that's the grates.
Yeah, the grates.
Oh.
All the grates underneath.
Yeah, those blocks.
So this bridge is going to be torn down once the new.
This bridge will become part of the trail.
I see.
It'll become pedestrian and bicycle.
I see.
Yeah, it'll become a pedestrian. They'll probably tuck point it afterwards.
Oh.
But then it'll become pedestrian and bicycle.
I see. Huh. Well, yeah. Well, that's interesting.
Not just going like